Colleen here from the Tik-Tock Growth Tactics and Tools podcast, brought to you by Talklist.net. Today we are going to talk about what TikTok bots can do and how you can use them to grow your following. There are multiple types of TikTok bots, but they all try to accomplish the same thing. A TikTok bot is a social media bot that will automate the same actions you could normally do on TikTok manually. They automate interacting with other accounts by performing likes, follows, unfollows, comments, views, and shares. The ultimate goal is to get your ideal followers' attention and give them a chance to view your content. As long as you target the right people and create good, interesting content, a decent percentage of them will view your videos and follow your account. There are a few different types of TikTok bots based on how and where they run. The first type is web apps. A web app is an online application that operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and does not require you to download anything to your computer or phone. The second category is desktop apps, which you download and execute on your computer or on a virtual private server, or VPS. To get the most out of having it on your computer, you need to keep it on all the time. The last version is mobile apps for Android or iPhone. I haven't tried any of these apps yet, because they all seemed a little sketchy. I prefer web apps since you don't have to worry about using a proxy or keeping your PC or VPS up and running. They are less work on your end, but they're also a little more expensive for that reason. Most of the web apps currently available aren't set up for multiple accounts yet, so it can get expensive if you run more than one account. There are some desktop softwares available that let you run multiple accounts from one computer. You do need proxies, but it's still less expensive than the web app alternatives. So that is one thing to keep in mind when choosing which type to go with. Targeting is also very important. Social bots grow your account by interacting with users who are likely to be interested in your videos. Your targeting will heavily influence your account growth and overall results. You can target a competitor account's subscribers, users who engage with a particular hashtag, or by user location. Poor targeting will generate poor results, so make sure you choose wisely. Is it safe to use bots on TikTok? How safe it is will depend on your setup. If you are trying to perform thousands of interactions each day, you will run into problems. Keep in mind what a normal person would do and set it up to perform actions such as follows, likes, comments, or posts throughout the day. You can limit the number of actions per day, or even per hour, to make sure everything the bot does looks exactly the same as if a human was doing it. The safest way to use a TikTok bot is to use the bot on a secondary accounts, and later promote your main profile to the following it builds. This way your main account is never directly associated with the bot. You can learn more about TikTok bots and growth tactics at Talklist.net.